If you're looking for help fixing your Napoleon gas grill, look no further. Our comprehensive Napoleon Gas Grill Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Find out whether it's the weather. Is the day damp, cold, or possibly both? Look, you don't like being cold or wet. And neither does your grill. If you've noticed that yours doesn't like to light on days that remind you of London fog, no, not the delicious warm drink, there are a couple of reasons that your grill may not be lighting. Your grill may have trouble lighting in the damp weather because our nifty Jetfire ignition system has a ceramic base for the electrode where the spark comes out. Although that ceramic base is ideal for helping the Jetfire ignition system light your grill, it is porous and will retain moisture. If this is the case, manually light just one burner using a match, and leave the grill on with the lid closed for 5 minutes. This will warm everything up and dry it all out. The grill will happily light from there. Why does low flow happen? It can seem like an arbitrary and frustrating thing to happen when there may be nothing wrong at all. However, it is a necessary safety precaution. In case there is a leak, you don't want excess amounts of gas hovering in your grill when you go to light it. Your eyebrows wouldn't be very happy, to say the least, when your regulator detects the excess flow of propane, abnormal to usual flow. It will reduce the amount of gas released. This leads to weak flames and low heat. Reasons for low flow. This sometimes happens when the valve is opened too quickly. This sometimes happens when the burners are on before the propane tank is opened. This sometimes happens when the propane is shut off before the knobs are turned off. This sometimes happens when the control knobs are left on after grilling. How to fix low flame. Heat on a gas grill. You can fix low heat and low flame on your propane grill easily by performing a regulator reset. Follow the easy steps below to reset your regulator. 1. Start by turning everything off, including your gas flow at the tank. 2. Disconnect the regulator from the tank and allow everything to sit for about 5 minutes. 3. Reconnect the regulator to the tank and slowly open the valve all the way. 4. Wait for 30 seconds before trying to light the grill again. Further troubleshooting. If you're still experiencing trouble with your flame height and heat output after performing a regulator reset or 2, try these troubleshooting tricks. Cleaning out your burner ports and the burner tubes with a Venturi brush and the cleaning kit that came with your grill. Checked for a leak in your fuel supply. Use soapy water and a brush to check your fuel lines for a gas leak that may not be tripping the sensor in the tank. Checking your fuel levels. Is your tank empty? Checking your propane tank for the expiration date. Dents and rust. It may be time to replace it. To avoid tripping the safety on the regulator of your propane tank, remember to turn off the grill's burners before the propane when you're done grilling. And when you're turning on your propane to begin your cook, turn the gas on slowly, all the way, then back it off about half a turn so that it won't get stuck on. Have you had to do a regulator reset before?